Good morning, dear students and dear parents. Let me introduce myself. I'm Michelle, the Assistant Professor of Accountancy Program. Why you should choose SIT Accountancy Program? I will use a 3D pillar to answer this question because we believe with this pillar, we would equip our students with the required competency I just mentioned before. Okay, let me talk more details about our first D, domain knowledge. So what would be covered in our curriculum for the domain knowledge? So we build up the domain knowledge for our students from the foundation level, the business essential. Then it will move up to the professional accountancy essential. And in the final year, we will provide a specialization in different areas of accounting. Okay, so this is a structure for our domain knowledge. And let me show you our curriculum structure to give you a better understanding how we deliver this the knowledge. Okay, so SIT is running at trimester basis. That means, okay, every academic year we have 3 trimesters, 3 terms. Each term 4 months. So the first trimester starts from September. Okay, September to December. Trimester 2, January to April. Trimester 3, May to August. So each trimester have 13 study weeks. In the middle is week 7. It's a recess week. We have no class. This is to help the students to prepare for their midterm and other assessment. All right? And the standard duration of our curriculum, that is for students who have no accounting or finance background at all, or even have no business background at all, right? Then the duration would be 2 years and 8 months. So you will see the first 2 trimesters in year 1 would be to deliver the business essential. Okay, so business essential would include these modules like Introduction to Financial Accounting, Economics, Quantitative Analysis, which is statistics, okay, BIT, or the Introduction to Finance or Management Accounting, those introductory level of business and accounting. And then we will have another 12 months of study of professional accounting core modules like taxation, auditing, and advanced management accounting, etc. All right? And in the final year, you will notice, okay, IWSP represents for Integrated Work Study Program. This is our internship program. It spans over 8 months, okay, 2 trimesters. And why we arrange the internship at the end of the whole curriculum? Because you have completed all the necessary domain knowledge, right? And more importantly, after you finish the IWSP, the day you complete IWSP is the day you complete the whole curriculum. And because our students, most of our students, when they're doing the internship, they already receive a priority offer from the firm. So that means the day after the completion of the internship, you become their full-time employee. So what modules are eligible for credit exemption? These are the 8 modules, those business essential modules, okay? So I listed the course names here. And for students who came from Poly with a diploma in accounting or finance, you may be eligible to up to 8 modules exemption. That means the entire 2 trimester of business essential, okay, will be fully exempted, meaning that your duration of the course will be shortened from 2 years, 8 months to just 2 years. All right? So SIT Accountancy Program offers the fastest accountancy program in Singapore. In the final year, okay, we allow the students to choose 1 out of the 5 specialization area based on their interest for the future career development. So for students who are interested in banking, investing, okay, who want to do a fund manager or green finance analyst, they may choose the area of applied finance. And we develop the applied finance according to the CFA curriculum, okay? And for students who are interested to be to dive further into the audit area, then they can choose audit as a specialization area. And we work with the Institute of Internal Audit to develop the curriculum. Then for students who like corporate accounting, okay, who want to be an accountant or ESG specialist or for forensic accounting, okay, you can choose corporate accounting. And we ensure the standards of our curriculum is up to the CAQ qualification exam. All right? And if you are more interested in management accounting, then you can choose the MA area, which is we use the CIMA syllabus to prepare our students for the operational management and the strategic level, the CIMA exam. Okay? So finally, okay, for students who would like to be a tax specialist, all right? The good news is, if you choose our tax specialization area and you pass all the exams, then you will be exempted from the CAQ professional program tax module, all right? So that's why many of our students choose tax area. Okay, then our program have been accredited by our local professional body as well as the major international well-known professional bodies. In addition, SIT Accountancy program is the only program, accountancy program in Singapore that is admitted into CFA University Affiliation Program. And we provide 10 scholarships, okay, for students who are interested in finance CFA. So how we ensure our curriculum will equip our students with the required technical competency. We have 5 data analytics modules, all right? So I list the names here. You can tell from the name, accounting information with blockchain. So it ensures the blockchain technology is covered, right? And we have data analytics and visualization. So visualization and data mining, data analytics, this emerging technology is also covered in our curriculum, right? And we require the students to apply this data analytics, okay, in practice. So in the applied analytics capstone, okay, we will require our students, okay, to use data analytics tools to solve a real business problem, all right? But besides those 5 data analytics modules, we also break down the data analytics knowledge matrix into bite sizes, different difficulty level. So we customize the application of the data analytics, okay, into different accounting areas, like what I mentioned before. As you know, dynamic learning means those soft skills, like critical thinking, communication, and strategic thinking. To train this, to hone these skill sets, we design our internship, our signature 8-month internship for our students. And we also let the students generate the real business problem when they are doing internship, so as to complete a capstone. Okay, the capstone is to use the data analytics to solve the real business problem, right? Moreover, okay, we also want to expand our students' exposure to the industry, so we also provide overseas exposure program for our students. So how we differentiate ourselves from other well-established universities? The secret weapon is our IWSP. Our IWSP adopt the applied learning and the teaching pedagogy, which integrate the innovation with industry and community. And after many years hard work, right, we have very close nexus with industry partner. So on the screen, you can see we have more than 20 industry partners, including all the Big Fours and all the large accounting entities in Singapore. And our industry partners are not limited to accounting firms. We also have government agency. We also have technology firms, okay? And over the time, okay, the internship position are not limited to auditing, okay? We open the avenue to include taxation. And in recent years, okay, we also have more exciting internship opportunities for data analytics, okay? And our students are very well sought after by the industry. On average, okay, each student have more than 2 positions to choose when they apply for the internship. And our internship is very structured. We review the job scope, okay, carefully to ensure, okay, it meets general and technical competency. Why? Because the 8 months internship is also recognized by the professional body. You know, to be a member, right, you need a 3 years working experience. So after you complete our internship experience, right, the 8 months will be recognized. So that means it will shorten the year duration by 8 months. And on average, okay, every year, more than 80% of our students will receive priority offer when they complete the internship. And some of our students will even receive an A2. Okay, what does that mean? That means, okay, they will have accelerated career pathway, okay, to be 1 year ahead of other peers. And of course, it will give them higher pay. Okay, in 2022, our students, the full-time employment rate is more than 91%. So now the median of the starting salary is 3,008. And for the top 25%, it is more than 4,000. Okay, especially for those students who are doing consulting or data analytics. Okay, and here are some examples of our graduates. Okay, our first batch starts from 2014. So up to today, we have many students have climbed up to the manager level. Okay, in all the big four, and not only in the audit area, but also in tax. And we have also have more and more students are doing the consulting work, and some even change to the bank. Okay, all the salaries are very promising. Okay, and we even have a student is currently a CFO of a company. So we are really proud of our graduates. And I wish, okay, you will join our firm, okay, to make ourselves even more prouder. Okay, and the next highlight, like what I mentioned, is the overseas exposure program. For accounting, we call it a regional exposure to accountancy practice, REAP. Okay, REAP. So the purpose of this program, okay, is to provide overseas exchange with opportunity for our students in order to widen their perspective and exposure to the social, economic, and the cultural nuances in ASEAN regions. So before COVID, we already have 3 successful trips led by our faculty, 2017 in Vietnam, 2018 in Hong Kong, and 2019 in Philippines. So in this journey, right, our students will visit the local universities to have a day of study with them and visit their accounting firms and their professional bodies, right, and other famous local business, so as to understand the business practice and provide them more international work opportunities for them. Okay, and we have a lot of scholarship and industry awards available to encourage students to achieve higher academic excellence. Okay, so a lot of book prize. Book prize will award to the student who are the top performers of a particular module. But we are not only just looking at the academic excellence. We want to encourage a well-rounded person. So we also have awards, industry awards such as Baker Tilly Award, right? To encourage students who are not only good at academic, but also have strong leadership and have contribution to the community. Okay? Okay, so let me briefly talk about the admission for 2024. So this year, we are also targeting about 200 enrollments. All right? And we welcome the poly diploma holders and A-level students, okay? We don't require you must have accounting or finance background, no need, okay? As usual, if you come from non-accounting, non-business background, you will go through the 2 years and 8 months curriculum, right? No need to worry. You will start from the very foundation business essentials, okay? However, okay, we are not only looking at your GPA, okay? We take a holistic approach to assess, okay, your suitability for the program. So your CCA, okay, your leadership activity, your contribution to the community, your relevant working experience are all valued, okay? And don't forget, we also look at your passion for the accounting industry. All right, this is very important. All right, so if you join SIT, you would be the first cohort who will be doing the study completely at the new campus, enjoying the completely new facility. So how exciting, all right? And this would be our 10th year of celebration for SIT as well as for SIT Accountancy program. Okay, so it would be very meaningful, right, if you become our 2024 cohort students. Okay, thank you. That's all my talk.